Hello everyone, I'm back with a new and another exciting video, and this time I came up with a new project called Human Emotion Recognition System. In this video, I made a end-to-end project in and also made a website. Basically, it's a deep learning project, and while working on this project, I really enjoyed a lot because firstly, I have to work on different data and extract all the insights from the data, make a machine. Then I try to make a convert into a deep learning project. But unfortunately, my machine is not very good. So the I got a lot of errors like RAM has not enough space to work on deep learning, and while working my system crashed. So that's a minimum some minimum error which occurs during making the deep learning projects. But apart from this, the मजे की बात ये है कि I made uh, I made this project using machine learning, and I really enjoyed while making this project. Let me show you the uh, everything of my project. So let's come and see. Let me share my screen first. Hope you are able to see my screen. So this is the training data set, and this is the TF-IDF vectorizer, my machine. This is also a machine, and this is also a machine. We have three machines. This is my notebook, and this is the final app, which I have deployed on the GitHub. So let me show you first the raw data. This is the raw data. Here you can see that how it is. आ जाए इधर. Okay, बदमाशी करता है मेरे साथ. खैर, this is the raw data in which there are a lot of approximately 16,000 messages. Here it is written. Here you can see that the label encoder is also there. The joy, and this is the joy, sadness, and love, and sadness, and so on. So यहाँ पे ज़्यादा पता नहीं चलेगा. इसको मैं बंद कर देता हूँ और नोटबुक खोलता हूँ. Working on the backend. Okay, opened in that folder. Okay, this is the folders info. Whatever the inside that folder, here you can see that the raw data and so on. So this is the notebook. Hmm, write some detector. It's a human emotion detector machine. So this is the necessary library. In this video, I tried to uh, compile the all the library in a single row. So this is the all the library which I have used below or for making this project. So firstly, I have used the Keras model, sequential, then Keras layer for and embedding LSTM, dense, and dropout. And then for again the Keras library of a callback, the early stopping, and one hot encoder, and PD sequence, and to categorical. So this is all the Keras library which I have used during my making this project. So then for machine learning project, I have used this label encoder and NumPy, Pandas, Pickle, NLTK, RE, regular expression, and NLTK stem, outer stemmer, warning for just remove the warning of whatever the warning is given to the notebook. Just to ignore, I have imported this, and then train test split and TF-IDF vectorizer. Then for visualization, I have used Seaborn, Matplotlib, and WordCloud for seeing the what is the frequent words in my word cloud. And for models, the I have used the scalar model, train tests with count vectorizer, TF-IDF vectorizer, multinomial NB, Naive Bayes, logistic regression, random forest, SGM, and the accuracy score classification report. This is the all the models library which I have used, and I got the best in random forest classifier, best percentage. Okay, here in this line I have imported the my raw data train.txt using CSV, and the column separation was not very good, so I made a column like comments and emotion, which you can see here is, and encoding UTF-8, because I think in some columns there are a lot of errors, so by for countering the error, we have to write the UTF-8. So after this code, I have run the load the data, which is this one, and 16,000 rows and two columns, which is emotion and the comments. So the shape is this one, and in the next line, which is written as length of the comments. Okay, we have to run this column. Maybe we'll run fine or give error. चल जा. Okay. This code will give me the length of every row in the comment section. So here you can see that the length in this in the first row, the length of the character is 23. You can also count at yourself: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, I think I made some mistake. It's 23. Okay. So in the next line, I have checked the null part, and luckily I got nothing, no any error. And duplicated, there is a duplicate number. Um, it is one, so that's why I have just dropped so that not a uh, mm, it will not impact to my data set, so that's why I have just dropped. अगर थोड़ा ज़्यादा नंबर होता 1000 या 1500 के आसपास, तो मैं कुछ सोच सकता था कि मीन मीडियन मोड को लगाता। फिर नहीं, वो तो नल के लिए लगाता। हम्म, फिर भी मुझे डिलीट ही करना पड़ता है क्योंकि डुप्लीकेट का तो कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है। So in the next line, again load the data, and that is 5,999. Then emotions in this column, I have seen how many unique values, and I got sadness, anger, love, surprise, fear, joy, and nothing. And it's a data type of object, and the count of that column is joy is 5,361, sadness is 4,666, anger is 2,159, fear is 1,937, love is 1,304, surprise is 5,007. Oh, sorry, surprise is 572. Okay, then I have plot a graph of count plot, so that here you can see that the joy is mm, tallest, and here you can also see that the 5,000 is joy, then after sadness, then after anger, then after fear, then after love, and सबसे कम है सरप्राइज। लोग सरप्राइज बहुत कम होते हैं, क्या बात है यार। डेटा डेटा होता है। Data is the new oil, and it can reveal everything. Okay, then after this visualization, I just copied the data into df2 so that in case in the future I got error during working on the data. So at this point of time, I have the copy of the data. So the length is length value, and the length is this one. First row, 108 second row, and 48 third row, and so on. And the last row, 5,999. The rows count is 62. Then after that, length, emotion, and multiple stacks. I have used all the emotions in a single uh, histogram plot. So here you can see that the joy is this one. This one area is for joy. Then fears. This one area is for fears. This one area is for surprise. Then love. Then as you can see that the sadness and the joy is more. So in the next line of code, I made a word cloud. For making the word cloud, I have used def so that it will extract all the words, and then will make a graph. Then for making the graph, for emotion and emotion list, which is emotion list is this one, and the trained data is the emotion, and that is unique. And this code will give me the unique number and unique in the emotions like joy, happiness, sad, anger, and fear. So uh, that is where which goes in the emotion list, and then from emotion list I have extracted all this by using this line of code. Text is equal to join sentence for sentence in the train data, a log train data emotions equal to emotions and from comments section. Okay, and then word cloud will form, and word cloud with 600 width and 600 wide, sorry, height, and generate the text data. This data has to generate the word cloud. So here is written as text, and word cloud should be word cloud and emotions. Word cloud is this one. Word cloud came from this one, and this is the figure size, figure titles, and I am show for word cloud show, and the axis is equal to off. So this will give the result of this sadness word cloud, which the frequent word is feel, friendship, people, really, love, going, someone, we know things, one, something, and need, little, feeling, kind, say, still, want, and so on. Angry word. Angry word is feeling again, feeling angry, even I am, make time, things, really want, no, feel, way, love. Angry में भी love आता है, wow. I am, bit, day, live, people, so on, and love, sweet, hot, one, horny, feels, love, life, need, loving, want, feeling, liked, feeling, I am time, I am caring, and so on, blah blah blah. You can see that the curious feelings and so on, and the fear for feelings. Feelings सब में आ रहा है. My project is also about the feelings. You can write a word, a sentence, and my machine will feel this word, and whatever your feelings, it will show. That is my project. It's all about. Okay, jokes apart. I come to the next line. I have used the label encoder so that it will encode the label of emotions, and really it gives the sadness 4. The first is 4 sadness, no, first is sadness and third is anger. Okay, it has given the code of first is sadness 4, I have sadness to 4, and anger to 0, and so on. Here you can see that. Then after again I have copied the data, then use analytic by for cleaning the data of comment section. So for that, I have downloaded the NLTK stop words, and the stop words are in English corpus, like in and the, whatever the not a meaning in the English data set. So that is the stop words, like is, am, are, a, and the, blah blah blah. So the stop words is set nltk.corpus.stopword.words English. Okay, if I will use the Spanish, Korean, and some Japanese word here, that will stop the Japanese word from the given data set, and so on, so and so forth. So in the next line of code, I have made a function using def, and in the function the text data is input. Then after going the data in this form, in the text form, it will stem by using Porter stemmer. Porter stemmer means if words written is love, loved, loving, and sadding, uh, padding, and so then it will come convert to the root words, like love, loving का love हो जाएगा, hating का hate हो जाएगा, caring का care हो जाएगा, and so on and so forth. So it will just cut it down the word long word into a root word. So after getting using the stemmer, the text RE expression, whatever the expression in the text, it will filter and remove from space and join by space, and the remaining text will go to the text column. Then this text firstly go to the lower and then split and convert into list, and then after converting to the list, again it convert to the word in from this line of code, and then join this. If there is a stem word from a word in the stemmer, this code of line will stem out and back to them into a root word, and then join to the actual sentence. Then after doing the result of from this line of code, this function is I will if I will give the sentence like I am sleeping, so then after getting after out from this line of function is I will get I sleep only, nothing. I am चला गया भाई, ing भी चला गया, कहाँ चला गया पता नहीं. Then I have applied this functions to my comment section, comment column. So after getting this, okay, I didn't feel humiliated and so like train data is this, and okay दिखेगा ही नहीं यहाँ पे. Then after that, I have split into a train test split, X test, X train, Y test, Y train, train test split, data clean comment, and emotions. Text size is equal to 0.2, random state is equal to 42. So in the next line of code, I have copied the same data into df, and then I have used a vectorizer using tf-idf vectorizer, so that it will vectorize all the messages, remaining messages, so that my machine can learn, because my machine cannot learn the textual data. It has to give the numerical data. To make the numerical data, we have to whatever the text we have to convert into a column, and then we have to uh, uh, apply a machine like TF-IDF, so that whatever the message, it will give the number like 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, so on. So I have used the TF-IDF vectorizer in my text and train column, extract, extrain, then fit and transform. And in the text column, I have just transformed the extest, then made a classifier uh, from this line of code. Even I can do the one-on-one machine learning, but I used to make a machine like in which my data came to the first machine, then it will predict some output and give some output, and my machine will record, then again my machine will work for second model, and so on for the all the fourth model, so that my machine predict all the datas and collect all the datas and show me to a single documents. So after getting from this line of code, I got this much result. Before I have to show you the each line what it says. So first line will just print out the name of the model which I have used. So this line of this code works as this line. I have used a f function. So and clf.fit classifier.fit extend tfidf and ytrain, and then y predict tfidf is equal to clf dot predict the extents tfidf and then accuracy tfidf, then all the things which is predicted from these three lines I have printed by using these three lines. So I got in the using the multinomial naive Bayes and the accuracy TF-IDF 65%, which is very not good. Classification report is precision scores is 9.5, sorry, 0.95, 88, 58, 00, 72, so on. And the accuracy is F1 scores 0.66% and so on. My logistic regression 82% and the random forest is 84% and the support vector machine is 81%. So I have just chosen by seeing these results, even I have to choose the random forest, but I have used the logistic regression because the logistic regression has given a decent accuracy score. If I use the random forest, that maybe is the result of overfitting in the near future. But I have used logistic regression. So again, I have to do the logistic regression work of model. So this is the output. This will give me the whatever it has done here. It will give me here. So in the next line of code, I have given I have made a function and that will predict the whatever sentence I have to give, that will predict here. So the code is, firstly I have to give an input text to the predict emotion. So the input text will firstly go to this clean text and clean text input text, and clean text will take the this input text here and the clean text comes from here. Clean text कहाँ गया? Okay, इधर ही कहीं होना चाहिए. Clean text, and this will remove all the stop words and convert into lower split and then फिर स्टेमर पोर्टर स्टेमर लगा करके and फिर ज्वाइन करके हमको देगा कि भाई ये ले तेरा साफ सुथरा सेंटेंस. देन yeah, this line of code will give me सर्फ एक्सेल से यूज करके साफ सुथरा सेंटेंस हमको देगा. Then I have used input vectorizer using tfidf dot transform clean text. इस clean text को I will give to this line of code and that will uh, give me भाई मैंने तेरा गिवन सेंटेंस को वेक्टराइजर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है, अब तू देख ले क्या करना है. And whatever the output of this line of code I is going to the input vectorizer. So this point to be noted, this is the important line. and then it will predict the from input vectorizer which I have given here, and by using the LG logistic regression model, it will predict the output of this, and whatever the output is in two formats, and I have used the I have sliced the output, and I need only the first part, so that I have used the zero here, and then uh, inverse of the prediction, that will give me output. So, and again, by inversing we get what by inversing we get okay, let me clearly tell you in layman language, is this line of code will give me the output of number, like 0 1 2, whatever the machine learning has given their output, but मुझे समझ में आ रहा है आउटपुट क्या है। तो अगर नंबर में दिया, आपको कैसे समझ में आएगा? आपके लिए मुझे तो वापस से उसको रिवर्स करना पड़ेगा, ताकि मुझे वो अगर 4 है तो सैडनेस 4 को दिया हुआ है तो आपको सैडनेस दिख सके, या 0 दिया हुआ है एंग्री को तो 0 आपको एंग्री 0 तो ना दिखाए, आपको एंग्री वर्ड दिखा दे। So this will give me the output like this, and then I have used the label so that it will label the textual data from the numerical data, and return to the emotions, predicted emotion, this one, predicted emotion, and the label this one, label with like sadness and angry, love, and so on. So this line of code will give me the actual output. So for verifying this output, I have written some line of code here. I didn't fill the himself, blah 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 blah. And then this line of code will, for the sentence in the sentence, this line print sentence, पहले sentence print होगा कि कौन सा sentence है, ये first line है, ये second line है, ये third line है। ओके, गड़बड़ हो गया। ओके, थर्ड लाइन है, या फोर्थ लाइन है, फिफ्थ लाइन है, हर एक लाइन को ये प्रिंट करेगा। उसके बाद फिर प्रिडिक्ट इमोशन, दिस लाइन ऑफ कोड विल वर्क, एंड फिर लेबल लेबल देगा, ये लेबल यहाँ से उठाएगा, फिर प्रिंट प्रिडिक्शन एंड प्रिडिक्शन इमोशन, ये जो भी यहाँ से आउटपुट आया वो यहाँ पे दे देगा, एंड देन लेबल, ये यहाँ से जो आया लेबल, लेबल से जो आया ये यहाँ दे देगा, और उसका प्रिंट कर देगा, ये लाइन भी प्रिंट करेगा, ताकि डिस्क्रिमिनेट कर सके कि हाँ ये कौन सा फर्स्ट है, कौन सा सेकंड है। सो here you can see that I didn't feel the humiliated, and it is sadness level 4. It means sadness is given the code 4, joy is given the code 2, and so on. This will give me the output. So this is the notebook of mine for human emotion recognition system. So now come to the website part. Minimize this, and this is my project, and I have to open in VS Code. So this is the code for making the website using the Streamlit, because Streamlit is a easy platform to make a in this Streamlit we can make a website in 2 line of code, 3 line of code, so that so I have used Streamlit. So firstly, I have imported Streamlit, NLTK, and NumPy, Pickles, Stem Porter, Stemmer, and RE expression, regular expression. Then after that, I have imported the model which I have used here. Okay, when I have to show you the model which I made here. Okay, TF-IDF factorizer, this model, and again, which one is that? Pickle. Okay, label encoder. Label encoder. I have used label encoder somewhere. Okay, किधर गया? Label encoder. This one, and logistic regression, which is my actual machine. Logistic regression. So after loading all the models, I made a text clean function which I have used here. I have just copy pasted from here. Text clean text, which is here. I have just pasted here, so that after from this line of code, I got the clear code, and then stop words, NLTK stop words, and that will stop all the stop words, and that this will give me the input vectorizer, clean text prediction, and this will returns me the output of whatever the output sadness, and whether it is joy, angry, and so on. So this line of code will give me the outputs of my machine. But after that, the app building starts. The app is by writing this line of code, my it will give me the title of my application. This will be the markdown, and st dot subheader. This will give me the subheader after this markdown, and then input. I have made an input column, input box, in which the written is paste your text here, and the height I have given is 100, and then this will give me the submit button, and after submitting, it will redirect to this line of code, and whatever this line of code will has written, it will work according to that. So st dot button, and then the button here written as predict. Then after when the button click, it will go to the first go to this line of code, prediction, emotion, label, and emotion, predict emotions, then input. Then again it will go to the prediction emotion, and predicted emotion dot upper. It will convert to my whatever the output is into uppercase, and then it will write the predicted emotion is equal to predicted emotion. This emotions will written here. So and this is all from the website code. So for next, let's come and check new terminal, stimulate, run app.py. Okay, this is the this is my website which is working on the localhost 8501 port, and here you can write anything like okay, let me first take out some lines from here to show you what is this. I didn't really feel that embarrassed, which is the sadness. Sadness. चलो कुछ रैंडम उठाते हैं. I feel so many angry. ये तो वर्ड से ही लग रहा है. I will soon start to feel like me again. I liked her and I miss her. Love. Yeah. I will soon start to feel like me again. I like her and I miss her. Sadness. Wow. My machine. I think the data set is too low to recognize. Sometimes it's not predicts the actual because the data set is just 16,000. Sadness पे ही रुक गया क्यों? Joy, 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 and the output is joy. So here you can see that my machine is working fine, and this will predict the real output as the label has written that. So कुछ लाइन मैं अपने से लिख देता हूँ. I feel blessed by God, love. I feel happy in front of you only. Joy. Correct. I feel sad when we not talk. When we can't talk. Sadness. I feel happy, joy. I feel nothing. Again, joy. Okay. I miss, miss, I miss water bottle. I miss, no, 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 water bottle. नहीं. I miss MG. I miss Jharkhand. Sadness. Okay. I think my machine is working well and it will predict the real feeling. Sometimes it will work like stupidity, but I think it's working fine. And I hope you really enjoyed a lot by seeing my codes and my machines and my website. And you will also will be very enjoyable when you will only work your own and make this project own, just not copy paste. If you want to see some codes, what I have done and where whatever the codes and the source code and all the stuff, I have uploaded in my GitHub page and the description. I will give pin the link of that in the description box. There you can also see that and made your own projects, and it will really be happy with you where while you will be write your own code and work on that. So till then, bye bye. And in the description link and the description box, there are some links and some you can buy me a coffee there. So a coffee link, and you can buy a coffee link for me so that by supporting me. एंड चलो एक काम करते हैं, आप मेरी मदद करो ताकि मैं आपकी मदद कर सकूं. वो भी कैसे होता है मैं बताता हूँ. You will give me a like and subscribe, and I will give you new projects. And how it will possible? So after giving you like and subscription and support to me, I really motivated and tried to work on the new project so that I will upload. You will just hit a like button, and by hitting a like button and subscribe button, I will upload a lot many more projects in the future. So that ऐसे हुआ ना, आपका भी हेल्प हुआ, हमारा भी हेल्प हुआ, हम दोनों का हेल्प हुआ. आप मेरी मदद करो ताकि मैं आपकी मदद कर सकूं. And in the near future, I will upload some new projects which is not available on the YouTube and somewhere else. So stay tuned with me. अभी अभी तक के लिए बाय, अभी के लिए बाय. बाकी फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो अगर सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा 2-3 दिन में. Soon I will upload my next project. I have worked on that, and soon I will work. Soon I will upload. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.